can't make up my mind. Bought out phone with the hoes I left behind. Baby be back, get this shit deep in the slum. But I hate to see you hurt, you can call me anytime, anytime, anytime. They ain't like anytime, anytime, anytime. You can call me anytime, anytime, anytime.
Turn it up, baby. I'm up on the speed, come on. Be in the scene, come on.
Alright, YouTube. Yo.
Is that is this Tyler?
Is he working? Well, the one at the bell. Anyways, YouTube, we had some car issues. First, my car wouldn't start. My battery was dead. I had to get a new battery. Deducted time off when we were supposed to make it.
Well, before that even.
The first thing first, we had big ass back there. Took him forever to get ready. So what time did y'all get to my apartment? Like 5? It was like 5, 6. Yeah. Then my car wouldn't start. Tried to jump start it for like 30 minutes. Didn't work. Shit started honking. But hopefully I don't get a noise complaint. That's not even my fault. That's not even my fault. It's not like I was doing it to you. Are you holding the camera? That's not even my fault. And then, had to take the battery out, had somebody take the battery out, all that. Then started driving. About an hour, 2 hours in, my shit started overheating. Pulled over on the side of the highway, bro. Shit started overheating. I had to get coolant from the gas station. Had to get more gas. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I low-key wish I got a Tesla, bro. We would have been in Atlanta, bro. We would have been in Atlanta. Charged one time.
Or my car.
Yeah, we would have charged like one
But
time.
who's to say that my car would have?
That shit could have blew
Come on, bro. That's like Khalil saying that my wheel was gonna lock and we crash.
up. But I'm not gonna lie. This is just crazy, bro. Then I gotta be at the pop-up place in 3 hours. 3-4 hours to set everything up, bro. It is 1:24, bro.
How far away are we?
3 fucking hours. This is so far. I just hope something good happens. Like, there is no way of going through all this stuff for no reason, bro. Like, there is no way, bro. For no reason. There's just no way.
Well, we've never had a good start to it.
But this was worse than last time. Nah, I don't know. Because Tyler did throw up my bad. But this is like something else, though. This is a whole...
I had car issues on the way to Atlanta last time, too.
Are we in South Carolina?
Yeah.
I can't drop my credit score, bro. I don't have time for that. I do not have crazy Casper credit, Quan credit. I don't have that. I'm only 18, bro. Just wait. Give me like 2 years, bro. Y'all gonna see me like crazy shit. Some geek shit.
Cap.
Not yet. Y'all gonna see me and be like, damn, get him. I'll be like, yeah, bro.
Maybe, what?
We get back to y'all whenever we're like kind of close in the vicinity. It's just been,
Never.
It's been a shit show. It's been a shit show, bro. Just random fees out the ass. Just random payments, random fees. Just tax the fuck out of me season. For real. But shit, I hope something good goes out of this. So yeah, we'll see y'all in the next clip. Yeah. Fuck fest. After 10 hours of driving, we have finally made it. We're at my cousin's house. We're crewing, trying to get these pieces. I'm tired of shit.
Hey, yeah, I can drive if you ever need. Okay.
But yeah, I gotta use the bathroom, 10 hours of driving, 10 hours of my car not working. It's really fucking crazy. Yeah, finally made it. And yeah, so after this, gotta go to the event. Yeah. And then after that,
Perform.
I gotta ship some packages. And
Oh.
then yeah.
Sell some clothes, sell some shoes.
So yeah, I'll see y'all in a minute, man. 70. And the shirts. 50, 55.
Bitch, nigga, I got a shoulder full, nigga. Bring out some meat. Your little ass need a medium, bro. You the same size, nigga. Shit not look good, not too good, bro. It's large.
That's an XL, I think.
So you got the one hoodie you got on right now?
Oh no, I don't got this one. I don't got no medium stuff. I sold it.
I know, I'm about to text somebody, tell them hold on right quick. Got this right here,
You said the back?
He said, let me see the back of it. Ain't none of the back.
Yeah, that's like a split layer.
Yeah, I got the address.
I don't really got hella clothes.
Nah, he said he got to see. He had to send that shit.
Yeah, I could.
He just cleaned the rest out his inventory. He said he could order that shit. He can send that shit to you.
Good.
The only pants this nigga had, bro, was fuck that shit, bro. How much that shirt is? 65. 65. You can. You got jail. He got cash out. Yeah, this is cash out. Oh, what the fuck them pants at?
These ones?
Yeah, these the only ones he got. He said these bitches run big though, so he said these the only ones he got. He was trying to, if not goddamn, he just run it back. He said if not, just go on the side of whatever ones you got down, you just got down, get them hoes and sell them in.
Shit, I might try them on, see how they fit. If not, I'll get a shirt for sure.
Alright. Yeah. That's really it.
One.
You niggas do not know how to drive.
Shut the fuck up and eat.
You niggas do not know how to drive with no hands.
What are you driving with?
My third leg.
I knew it.
Come on. Yeah, at the same time. You niggas use both hands. I mean, you niggas use both hands on your steering wheel. Nigga like me, I only need one.
Oh,
It's in my hand. It's in my hand.
come on, bro.
You don't know how to control that wheel with your leg, nigga.
What?
I got something for my shit over here. Alright, bro. Say something to the vlog.
What's up, collector?
No, bro. Say your name.
It's not collector. My name's Chance. I fuck bitches. I'm Fayetteville known. We're in Atlanta.
I'm Fayetteville, no.
We're in Atlanta.
You guys want to say to the vlog?
Vlog. I don't. He does not fuck bitches. Actually, he fucks
Never
niggas.
said I fuck bitches. I think you did.
You definitely did.
So, vlog. My name Khalil. I got an STD.
No, I said I'm known in Fayetteville.
Come on, bro.
Nah, he didn't say that.
Yeah, he got you.
Let's go to B-Dub. Let's go to B-Dub. This is not the vibe, y'all.
This is the
Not
vibe.
the fucking vibe. I'm in here with my ancestors. see one button.
I did not see one.
And the one button just goes up on the wall.
Bro, look. Alright, YouTube. Goddamn, we back. We in that bit. Yeah. Bro, I need to get a tripod. But yeah, we in that bit. We in the goddamn B&B. Shout out, my nigga,
B&B?
Chance. Yeah, this B&B.
This is not a B&B.
We in that B&B, motherfucker. Yo. Yeah, man. New B&B.
Oh, sure.
Oh, yeah, look. B&B came with a motherfucker. Yeah. But yeah. Yeah, bro. But yeah, I'll get back to you. Alright, too. I know I look rough, bro. I just woke up. This is crazy, bro. Like I just woke up and I woke up to people banging on the thing. Banging on the thing, talking about call the cops. This is crazy, bro. Never again. Never again. And it's just like, there's just too much going on. There's a lot of stuff going on. Yeah, I would not be doing that again. But yeah, I'm wearing Collective hoodie, Hello KLX, Collective nylons, and I'm finna wear my pink. I got Balenci's. Let me get back.
Bro, my fucking Calypso.
Hey, guess what? Or the
Nigga trying to be cool in it, bitch, and try to goddamn Calypso.
Hey, look, put it right here for the outfit, and you fucking drop it.
You gotta keep
fucking
this in,
did.
bro.
Oh,
I
shit.
already got my fucking flicks with the Calypso, if you didn't fucking know.
Yeah, look at him. Look at him.
I already got that
Look
shit.
at him.
Shit was just risen for thirst now.
Hey, if my tire busts, I'm hitting that bank account.
Oh, there's a big old.
Oh, you just gonna leave that one though, huh?
You gonna leave the most dangerous one.
Oh,
Nigga act like he can't see shit.
anyway.
Yeah, try to find the kill switch.
What does a kill switch look like?
It's a button.
It's a
just
button.
a button.
Just try to find it.
No. About hot or cold?
Hey, I can't tell you. You're cold, I ain't gonna lie.
You're freezing.
Yeah.
You're still freezing. Freezing. Warm. That's all I'm giving you.
Oh shit.
Of course your big ass gonna run into it.
Damn, this nigga, you not getting.
You trying to find it. You know what a kill switch is?
Am I pressing it?
What is this?
No. You gotta press it, yeah.
I'm
a
pressing
button.
something.
No, that's not it.
Where you at?
In the seat.
Nah.
What the fuck? In the seat.
Where the fuck is the kill switch?
Alright, let him try to find it.
I don't know what type of button.
He
you
knows what
press.
it is. No, that's not it.
Don't even give a fuck. I'm so mad right now.
This shit is crazy.
Gotta be some careful. Is it right there?
How much were the grills? That's it?
It's silver, nigga.
Silver's better than gold.
Silver is not better than gold. Gold
Yes,
costs
It
more.
look better, but
No,
it,
I'm
yeah,
saying silver looks better.
but it don't.
Is it here?
Nah.
Exactly.
I don't think
Right. But I don't know niggas who even know this is a Balenci shirt.
Can you fucking read, bitch?
Okay,
I'm not gonna be like
exactly like, and then it's so many fucking letters with Balenciaga. It just looks like any other streetwear brand.
I feel like the only niggas that's gonna know is the niggas that know. Like, that actually.
Well, I don't know. So.
Exactly. Like I don't know. Like, I'm not the nigga to know.
And then it's got a fucking Balenci logo right here, the Reebok.
That's a
Balenci
Reebok logo.
Exactly. They're gonna think you just layered up. They're gonna just think you just got a pink hoodie and layered up.
They gonna think that shit
I've never
ass.
seen this before.
No.
Nigga think he Yachty.
Exactly.
I don't even wear that shit. That's how I know.
Yachty would wear this.
No, I nigga wear anything.
Exactly.
That nigga is rich. That nigga rich as fuck, bro.
Yo, Aiden, where are you, bro?
Rolex, nigga. We hold $1, bro. Rich ass niggas.
Nigga said.
He's so white, bro. Ew, dude.
Fuck you, dude. Fuck you. I told you
you. I fucking told you.
He's been waiting for somebody. He's been waiting for somebody to fucking compliment.
What did you say? What did you say?
He got
He got the Babykia on. He said he was gonna get it yesterday.
All right, y'all keep the glasses on.
No.
right, bro.
No, bro, that shit. Yeah. Yeah, this quality do look crazy though. It's 0.5 too. That's what I'm saying.
You can make a ball yourself. You can make a ball yourself? Yeah. You get some forever.
That was hard.
It looks like it's airbrush. That's what I would want to. I want to know how to do like airbrush. Get them crazy though. I want to teach me how to start doing this shit.
That's hard. This shit hard.
Oh, that shit ass.
Not with the right fit, this shit hard. I'm going.
I'm pressing him.
That is hard. That shit's hard. Oh, Juan got that. You be on TikTok? Y'all be on TikTok and it's like that Duke Dennis?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. I thought I was tripping.
20 no twin.
120?
That's my last one.
Win.
But look, I'm gonna show you why it's 120. Hold on. Rob Dillingham. I don't know if you know who Rob Dillingham is.
Wait, so it's 120.
No. The craftsmanship.
Okay.
And then look, I had Cheeky get it.
People gonna pay it.
What is that?
I'll call Chief Keef right now.
Call Cheeky. He right here too. Call Cheeky.
Alright, but it'll be worth.
Nah, I was already selling it.
It'll be worth 450 if I was in.
So buy it.
So give me. I can't even. You not even trying to pay the 120. Who else gonna pay the 450?
What you understand? It'd be worth 450 if it was on my body.
But then they gonna be
buy
like,
it
who
then.
pay? So you might go just
So
buy
buy
it.
it.
Hey man, you trying to be on brand risk or what?
I mean,
Be on what?
You trying to be on brand risk Bronson with Aiden Ron says no.
Yeah.
Alright, just give it to me for free. I'll wear it. I'm sold the last too.
I'll give you. What size are you? Was you at G-Ho?
No, oh yeah, G-Ho, yeah.
you got it.
Yeah.
Was at G-Ho?
What the fuck is G-Ho? That's South Carolina.
I'm from. Yeah, what is it?
Yeah, I know Carolina on my side. Yeah.
You done this for 80?
Yeah.
This is hard. Was you
Wait,
you like anything that matches the pants or no?
I thought he was long. I thought he was long.
The first one in the city with them, but mine got a K on it, a Draco on it. I ain't stop playing, ain't shit sweet over here. I've been listening to you since 2016. Call like Minnesota. Call like Minnesota. If you see
It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be cool. Hey, give me a mic. Yeah, go back down.
I wasn't wearing this because I was another man.
What's your cost of your things?
I respect you're a real guy.
I like the other one better though. You don't got no large in those? Got me a bag. That's pretty wrong. I'll take that one. I'll take it.
What you gotta say?
It's cold as fuck.
It's cold. Hoodie in the car.
I don't know. No, this shit is crazy. My nigga Alex in it bit. Oof. It cold as fuck. They got a tune on that hoe. Oh, shit. Turn on.
You got a baby in there.
That bitch. He got the hardest shit, I ain't gonna lie. He got the hardest shit out here, I ain't gonna cap. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Yeah, we should have came earlier.
That nigga shit is wild, bro. Oh my god. Yes, that shit expensive, bro. That shit is like he getting bread like. Hold on a little bit. Yeah, that is old car. Oh, hold on. Scat for turn. Hold on. Is he finna do something? That bitch hard, man. That bitch hard. Hey, what is the tune on it?
Autograph tune.
Oh, shit.
I'm not gonna do something.
How you feel, bro? Crazy. This shit crazy.
You're in a fucking Atlanta.
We're doing everything, bro.
Everything but going home.
We don't need to go home.
You said what?
We don't need to go home.
Bro. Not for us.
That shit loud as hell.
But yeah, that'll conclude the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know it's not a lot of editing and stuff. This video was really recorded on my iPhone, and I was kind of like BSing while recording because I was trying to like record other stuff for like, you know, Instagram content. But I hope y'all do enjoy this little video, whatever. More content will be out soon. And yeah, I really do appreciate y'all for watching and tuning in. You already know what to do. Go shop Collective. Y'all go follow Instagram and stuff like that down below. But yeah, I appreciate y'all watching. And you know, this is just a little raw edit. I just wanted to get this out there, you know, this video out there because it was due. You know, this is a, you know, old vlog and I had to publish it. So yeah, I do appreciate y'all for watching and tuning in, and y'all will see me in the next video.